In this video, we are making a very special liquid fertilizer for tomato plants. Tomato plants are very heavy eaters. They give so many fruits, so they need good fertilizer to stay healthy and strong. If they don't get enough nutrients, they will not grow properly, and fruits will also not come in good quantity. So today, we will make a powerful homemade fertilizer that tomato plants will love very much. It is very easy, very simple, and made from things we already have at home. So, let's not waste any time and start the process now. First, we have to take extra leaves and lower leaves from the tomato plants. Lower leaves are of no use because they don't give any fruits and they touch the soil, so they can catch infections easily. If we leave them, they can bring disease to the whole plant, so better to remove them and make use of them in our fertilizer. We will also take out suckers, which also don't help in fruit production. After collecting all these, we will put them in one bucket or any container that we have at home. Now, we will chop all these leaves and suckers into small pieces. By cutting them, they will break down faster and release all their nutrients quickly. If we leave them big, it will take too long to make fertilizer. Once this is done, we need to add worm castings. Worm castings are like magic for plants. They give nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and even good microbes that improve soil. Now, we will add water to the container, but not just any water. We need non-chlorinated water. Chlorine in water can kill all the good bacteria and microbes that help in breaking down the leaves and making fertilizer strong. If you have only tap water, just keep it open in a container for one day, and chlorine will go away by itself. Once we add water, we have to mix everything very nicely so that all materials get combined properly. After mixing, we have to cover the container, but not fully. If we close it tightly, gas will build up inside, and that is not good. Just place a loose lid or a cloth over the top so that air can pass, but insects and dirt don't go inside. Now, we have to wait for at least 10 to 14 days. This time is needed because the plant material needs to ferment and release all nutrients into the water, making it a super strong fertilizer for tomatoes. After about 2 weeks, our fertilizer is fully ready. When you open the container, you will get a strong smell. That is a sign that everything is fermented properly. But we cannot use this fertilizer directly because it is too strong. We have to dilute it first. Take 5 liters of this liquid and mix it with 10 liters of water. Now, it is ready to give to the plants. This fertilizer has many benefits. First, it gives a lot of nitrogen, which helps in making the plant green and full of healthy leaves. Then, it has phosphorus, which is very important for strong roots and making good tomatoes. Potassium in this fertilizer makes the plant strong so that it does not fall sick and can fight against diseases. It also has many natural microbes that improve the soil and help plants absorb nutrients easily. This fertilizer is fully organic, no chemicals, no harm to the environment, and very safe for plants. If you give this to your tomato plants regularly, they will grow very fast and give you a lot of big, juicy tomatoes. So, this is how you can make a very powerful liquid fertilizer at home using simple materials. Try this in your garden and see how well your tomato plants grow. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing gardening tips. See you in the next video.